Oh dear, what's happened to Pete Davidson? Worry not, it's just the US comic covered in fake blood for his new movie. 4. Pete Davidson was pictured covered in fake blood on the set of his new movie Credit, Splash. 4. Pete was snapped on set in New York after shooting an explosion scene for upcoming horror film The HomeCredit, Splash. He was snapped on set in New York after shooting an explosion scene for upcoming horror film The Home. It's not the only difficult situation he's been in lately, either. His new girlfriend Kim Kardashian's ex Kanye West is still attacking him on social media. The rapper has been antagonizing Pete for weeks, while referring to him by the silly nickname Skeet, but things got even darker yesterday as Kanye made another jibe on Instagram. The musician took to Instagram on Wednesday morning to share a fan comment and a message of concern for Kim, 41. The father of 4 posted a screenshot of a follower's comment reading, "The way Skeet used Kim's marital status to address Kanye was a sneak diss to her and she didn't even catch it." Kanye captioned his post, "I'm really concerned that Skeet will get my kid's mom hooked on drugs. He's in rehab every 2 months." The fan comment referred to a leaked harsh text exchange between Pete and Kanye earlier this week. The latest chapter in their personal war began simply enough, with the Saturday Night Live star apparently reaching out to the rapper. "Yo, it's Skeet," Pete texted, referencing the nickname Kanye gave him. "Can you please take a second to calm down? It's 8 a.m. in the morning. It doesn't gotta be like this." Pete then mentioned the TV star and wrote, "Kim is literally the best mother I've ever met. What she does for those kids is amazing and you are so f***ing lucky that she's your kid's mom." He pointed out, "I've decided I'm not gonna let you treat us this way anymore and I'm done being quiet. Grow the FK up." Kanye countered, "Oh, you using profanity. Where are you right now?" To which Pete replied, "In bed with your wife," along with a selfie showing him lying on a bed. A day later, Kanye clapped back, continuing the war of words by sharing screenshots of 2 news stories in 2 separate posts. In one, he shared a long caption accusing the funny man of escalating their feud in sync with Kim's upcoming Hulu reality show. "What did I lie about?" he began, referring to a splashy headline he shared. "I am allowed to see my kids. You also mad that I can't be written off as abuser or a stalker? Y'all so mad that Skeet showed who he really is right before the Hulu trailer dropped. I'm not a bad guy. Kim's not a bad person. Kids want parents to stay together, but Hulu needed a new narrative," he concluded, implying that the latest round of drama was intentionally caused by his ex's man. In his second post, Kanye continued to reference the leaked texts from last weekend. "Skeet called this legally single person my wife," he wrote. "I am not ramped up. I successfully avoided doing anything that would give them reason to put a restraining order on me. Pete's new girlfriend Kim Kardashian's ex Kanye West is still attacking him on social media. Credit, Getty. 4. Kanye has been antagonizing Pete for weeks, while referring to him by the silly nicknames Pete, pictured Pete with Kim Credit, Instagram @Angelinas_Ristorante. She think it's funny to try to drive me over the edge, but I didn't let them. She ignored my text about bringing my children to church, then had her boyfriend text me and brag about being in bed with my wife, then tell me he could help me.